Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Triton GLS dual cab ute, stock reference number 5315. The shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has multiple small dents. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror in chrome with indicator. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.